Good afternoon, all my friends, followers, and subscribers. I am Rina Kutsia from Ermelo, Mpumalanga, South Africa. Now, I want to talk about God always first in your relationship. I've only got 3 minutes. YouTube only allow you 3 minutes of talking, and then they are, how do you say it in English? Because I'm Afrikaans speaking, they are cutting the, let us say that, let us say they are cutting the video. Alright, so I must talk fast. As I said, God always first in your relationship. What we do in the evenings, we are both Christians, and we love to, in the evening, with our Bible study, we are reading the Bible, we are praying, and we're doing that also in the morning. And we always thank God for each day that He opened our eyes, and we thank Him out of our hearts for all the blessings that He is giving us for our relationship. And next year, the 1st of May, it will be, if the God spare our lives, it will be 44 years that we are married. And my hubby is already on pension, so I love it that he is, that we can spend every day together and just love each other and hug each other, kiss each other. We love that. Yes, and this morning we went to the shops, and always our hands is, we're holding hands in the mall. We love that. There must be always, there must always be connection between us. In the evening, when we are in the bed and go to sleep, then also my hand is on his hand. We love that. So it's nearly 3 minutes, so I had to say goodbye to all my followers. God bless, and because I only got 3 minutes, excuse me. All the best out of South Africa. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye.